Are you searching for an active Helium 10 promo codes that actually work? Whether you're just a beginner launching your first product or an experienced seller looking to scale, getting the right deal on your tools can make all the difference. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use real verified Helium 10 promo codes and how they can help you save while growing your Amazon FBA business the smart way. Helium 10 is an all-in-one software trusted by top Amazon sellers worldwide. It gives you everything you need to know in one place: product research, keyword discovery, listing optimization, inventory management, profit tracking, and advanced PPC automation. And the best part is you don't need to pay full price to get started. Right now we have 2 working Helium 10 promo codes that you can use depending on your goals. The first is Freedom Pass 10. This promo code gives you 10% off every single month for life. It's a great option if you're planning to commit long term and want consistent savings as you grow. The second is Freedom Pass 20. This promo code gives you 20% off your first 6 months. It's perfect if you want a bigger discount up front while testing out the platform and building momentum. Both promo codes are verified, exclusive and available through our official Helium 10 partner link. Here's a quick breakdown of the tools you'll be unlocking. With Blackbox you can discover high demand, low competition product using real Amazon data. With Cerebro you can perform reverse ASIN lookups to uncover the exact keywords your competitors are ranking for. This gives you the insight you need to rank faster and smarter. With Scribbles you can optimize your product listings using proven keywords, formatting and content structure so your listings not only rank but convert. You'll also gain access to inventory forecasting tools that prevent stockouts and over-ordering, as well as the profits dashboard, which shows you your true bottom line after fees, shipping and ad spend. And when you're ready to run ads, Adtomic allows you to automate, manage and optimize your Amazon PPC campaigns with far less manual work. Using one of these Helium 10 promo codes lets you start strong and save money while you do it. And to help you go even further, we've included free access to our Amazon FBA training and a full step-by-step course throughout Amazon FBA on YouTube. That way, you're not just using the tools, you're using them effectively. So if you're ready to start using Helium 10, choose the promo code that fits your needs. Click the link below to activate your discount. The right tools and the right training and the right promo codes. This is how to build a smarter Amazon business from day one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.